Hello friends, in this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the broker XLibre. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select XLibre as your broker, and click on Go to Website. You enter the website, click on Sign Up, and in the name field, you enter your country of residence, as well as an email address and password. I recommend using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for your password. In this section, if you have a partner code, you enter it here. And you confirm that you are not a US citizen. Finally, you click on Continue. You enter your account dashboard and click on this option to verify your email. You go to your email, select XLibre, and click on this link to confirm your email. After that, you will return to your account dashboard and your registration will be complete. In the next video, I will teach you how to fund your account. Good luck. Your registration is complete, and you will see how to reactivate your account in the next video. Good luck.